Alright, so a lot of you are probably wondering, how is this a professional sound test? Well, the answer is simple. I used a Rode Shotgun studio grade microphone calibrated to a negative 10 decibel level to filter out background noise like wind, birds, things like that. And I put the camera 10 feet from the car in 5-foot offset for each of the front and rear tests. And for the interior test, the windows were rolled down both times. Also, the car was warm and at full operating temperature on all those times. And I also got my RPMs within an accuracy of plus or minus 250, which is pretty freaking close.